Examples of impact-tested storefront systems when designing for extreme conditions. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we demonstrate the need for protective glazing and frames when designing for extreme conditions through two examples of impact-tested storefront systems. Here are two examples of impact-tested storefront systems. The first one on the left is a non-thermal frame with monolithic laminated glass. The second frame is a thermally broken frame with laminated insulated glass unit in it. Also notice that the frame on the left is wet sealed with silicone securing the glass in the frame. The frame on the right is an example of dry glazing with gaskets, not silicone. The inner layer used with the dry glazing is stiffer and holds its shape when broken. It's more rigid and will maintain its stiffness. The stiffness holds the broken insulated glass in shape and in the frame. These are tested systems. The system is tested in combination of frame, silicone, specific to dry glazing, and the inner layer. Only combinations tested together can be utilized. When using laminated insulated glass units, the outboard light is considered sacrificial. It can get broken from flying debris. The architect can specify any glass they'd like on the exterior. It is the part that's protecting the building envelope is the inboard lighted glass, and it is critical that this component of the insulating glass unit be per the manufacturer's test, and you don't deviate from what was tested. So again, looking at the frame, the inner layer, and whether it was silicone or dry glaze, those three components all must be part of the manufacturer's test. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.